I'm Ron from Coleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable integrated with NetSuite. It's available directly on the Suite App Marketplace. Today, I will walk you through the process of issuing a customer credit memo in NetSuite. A credit memo decreases the amount owed by a customer. It can be issued for reasons such as product returns. Here's how you do it. You go to Transactions, Customers, Issue Credit Memos. Make sure to select the right form in case you use some custom forms. Then I will select my customer. Once this is done, you confirm or adjust the date that you have here. If necessary, you change the posting period and you enter the customer's purchase order number here. You can also add a memo to the transaction, here, the memo. If applicable, you will have fields like department, class, location. For example, I have location here. So it all depends on your form and your setup. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button for more insights. And once this is done, you can move to the items. So here I will choose an item in the list. Let's say this one. And then you need to enter all the details. This is filled in, that's perfect. So then I can just hit the add button. Then you will have different tabs here. For example, the shipping, where you can change the shipping details, calculate the shipping cost by clicking on this little calculator. That may be needed depending on how you use it. Once everything is in place, click the Save button to issue the credit memo. I need to enter a discount item. So this is here, partner discount, save, perfect. If this memo applies after the customer has paid the invoice, you can apply it to other invoices through the menu Transactions, Customers, Accept Customer Payments. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more NetSuite tips and check the comments section for more useful tutorials. Bye bye.